Damn, I wonder when they coming. I've been waiting on them all day. Hey, and they came a day. They delayed the package. Just, I'm getting tired. Been up all day. Damn. I know what I'm gonna do. Drink some coffee. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your gut. Tired. Whew. Feel the energy already. I could wait a little bit longer. Woo! Can't wait, boy. Let me go sit back down. Shoot. Just waiting. But you know, it's gonna be alright though. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be alright. I just don't know what to say. I think I outdid myself with this one or something, you know. It's gonna be nice to have them around. It's gonna be real nice to have them around. I think I hear something. Nah, that can't be them that loud. That ain't neighbors or something. People be around here too loud sometimes. Nah, that ain't them.
We outside!
Please, so loud.
Ain't this what you bought me for?
Listen, be quiet.
No! I'm not!
I don't care.
God damn it! Me either!
What about my neighbors?
I don't care!
I'm gonna ask you one more time. What about my neighbors?
Fuck your neighbors! Pop, rock, blues, jazz, gospel, EDM, commercials, everything. I put it on. I'm loud.
Why are you so loud?
I don't care about being quiet at all. Who are you? Who do you think you are?
You know what? Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy D-Rep back with another banger. Y'all see how I'm coming? Always different. Always got to show y'all some little talent, some way, somehow, shape, and form. You know what I'm saying? So this whole build that I'm doing right now is about to start getting vlogged, and I'm not about to cut no corners. I ain't about to play with y'all when it comes to this build. Like, hey, that's all I'm gonna say. You know? Shout out to everybody that gave me a demo recently. Shout out to everybody that's on my channel. Shout out to the ones that's coming to the channel. Shout out to everybody that I'm gonna be working with. Got a big plans for all y'all. You know, I don't just do things for myself. I'm not a selfish person. So I'm coming to shed light on the car community, the bass community, whatever community it is. If you go to my channel and look at my old videos, you know, I've been doing this, you know what I'm saying? So since I even got a video up of like my old Bonneville, that was way back in Detroit. So, hey, life moved forward. You still had the same goals and plans in mind. You just try to get a little bit better. So as of right now, hey, it's on. Shout out to everybody that work spilled over into my builds. Like, my brother, Shorty Vaz, built this thing here. I got a whole, look at that. I'm gonna go down this way. Look at that. Ah, that's a little sneak peek of the dash. So y'all already know I'm about to go crazy. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to Chevy Vet Black, Vito for the door panels. That dude got hard hitting stuff right there. Much respect that dude in the bass community. You know what I'm saying? So I got a lot of stuff planned for a lot of people, man, when it comes to this bass community. Just know that I got a good heart and passion for this, and I just want to showcase a little different. So today is an unboxing video about these. Look at that. Package came in today. So we're about to unbox. I'll get with y'all in just a second. Let me set the camera right. But shout out to everybody in this bass community down here in Dallas doing their thing. I ain't say a lot of names, but you know, them the ones who just stuck out that I had brought some stuff from. You know, this stuff don't stop. I'm gonna be all around. Yeah, I'm gonna be rolling out, you know, so let's get it though. Let's unbox this stuff. Let me show y'all what I'm working with. Alright, so what I have here is a bunch of mid-range speakers. And these are my mid-range speakers. This ain't my highs yet, the tweeters. But this will get you a good pointer of the direction that I'm heading. Hope y'all ready. Hope y'all ready at these shows to just see how I'm coming with my build. It's a lot of guys loud out here, man. Oh, man. I ain't trying to do all that, but it's gonna do that. So let me show y'all what I'm working with. So this right here, yeah. Let me see if y'all can see that real deal. Real deal. Focus, focus, focus. Yes, sir. DS18, and these ain't the little baby boys. These things get loud. Hello? Can you hear me? I can hear you from here. You ain't even powered up yet. Nah, but that's that one, right? So that's a 6.5. These is going into my back doors. I'm not really going too hard in the back just yet, but because you know people don't really sit in the back for demos, but these still gonna get down and be loud for what it's worth. I got 2 going in each door for now. But here we go right here. Look at this one. Shout out to Chevy Black for giving me those door panels, man. Not giving me, but you know, he sold me his doors. And I was going a different route, but I didn't think about doing 10. So when I seen them, I'm like, let me get those. Let me see what's up with those. So I ended up getting them. I had my eyes on them for a minute, and they didn't sell. So I'm like, oh, they calling my name. Let me go on and hit them up. So I ended up with them though. You see how it worked? Just be patient with your build. But so the door have, what's it, 2 1-inch tweeters in there and 3 10-inch speakers, y'all. I'm motivated. Look at this. Show y'all this ain't no game. That's why they out there acting like that, all loud. Look at them. Look at them. I could just hug them. I'm sorry. I'm not mad at y'all. Y'all made me spill coffee on myself. I done burnt myself. I done did all. I smell like a burnt coil. Like a burnt coil. But let me let y'all see them all out the box. I'm gonna get right with y'all and then we're gonna wrap this up. But this is just a quick unvlog of, well, unboxing of my mids. Not the tweeters yet, but we gonna get there. I'll see y'all in just a second. Look at that right there, boy. Man, I done outdid myself with this shit right here. Let me tell you, it's been a long time coming, all right? I remember back in the day when I used to have little 6x9s in the windows. I remember back then when I used to have a little ripped up 12. It was like a Lensar Max. Let me tell y'all something about me. I've been in the game for a long time. Now, let me stop playing with y'all, but look. Boy, you mean to tell me I did this? If you know, you know. Now I'm gonna have to box all this back up. Hey, I'm gonna have to box all this back up, man. I'm gonna have to put all this back in the box, man. So I'm gonna see y'all later, man. So yeah, DS18 for the win. Big speakers for the win. I'm gonna reveal my truck name for y'all real deal soon. And it's gonna be a purpose behind all this. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go hard to go home. And I'm gonna make sure I get some loudness coming out of this thing, though. I wanna be talking. So I'll holla at y'all, man. Y'all be safe out there. Bass heads, bass on. This build is coming together real smooth, real detailed. And I'm gonna make sure I show y'all something different. That's on me. Hey, shout out to everybody. Shout out to everybody watching this channel. Make sure y'all tell people to come follow. Tell people to subscribe. Tell people to like, thumbnail, whatever they be saying with this YouTube stuff. Hey, it's just getting started. Let's get it.